Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Here is Miami, and here it is hot. It is probably hot where you are too. Everywhere it's hot. So I'm going to give you maybe like a 2-3 ingredient cooler that's going to cool you down, hydrate you. Mango lassi. It is an Indian classic for a reason. It is so good. It is yogurt. I'm using plant-based yogurt, which is a natural cooler, and mango. The only other thing you might want to add is a pinch of sugar if you don't have super fresh mango, which I do, and a little something to bring out the floral elements, maybe a drop or two of orange blossom or rose water. I'm using cardamom. So I am using a mango from our neighbor. Well, okay, I've already pureed just about a cup from a good sized mango. And you want the same amount of yogurt. I am using Kite Hill plant-based yogurt. And a lot of times I like to strain it so it's nice and thick. This is nice and thick. It says now creamier, and they're not lying. This is unsweetened. If you have a good mango, or even if you have a frozen or canned mango, this is not a super sweet drink. And it's somewhere between a smoothie and a drink, I guess. And my husband always likes when we do these videos because we have something good to eat afterwards. But he was really kind of excited about this, and I said, why? He said, well, mango lassi is a treat, and when you see how easy this is, you can treat yourself. We got yogurt, we got mango, and I'm gonna give it a go. Now I'm just gonna taste it, and I'm gonna add a little cardamom. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want to bring up the sweetness. I don't think I'm going to need to. Oh wow, that is really good. Let me talk to you about cardamom. It is a great sort of citrusy spice. It's known as grains of paradise. This is the whole pods, but it's not the pods you want, it's what's inside. Here are little, they look black, but they're supposed to be green cardamom seeds from Spice Lab. We love them. And this is what they are when they're ground. I'm just using less than half a teaspoon in this. Gonna give it one last blitz. And that's it. Now you can have this over ice. You can add some crushed ice if you like, but I don't want to dilute my lassi, so I'm just going to have it like this. I'm going to show you though. Nice and creamy, and the colder the better. Really, really good. It's creamy, it's cold, it's sweet, not too sweet. You can play it up with a little evaporated cane sugar if you want, but I like it just like this. It's just the thing to cool you down wherever you are. So till next time, everyone, keep it cool. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.